The Battle of Bull Run was the first major fight of the Civil War. This battle is also called the First Battle of Manassas. Why this battle and many others have two names is because the North and the South often had different names for different battles. The battle showed that this war would last longer than 3 months. People actually came from Washington, D.C. with the Union troops to watch. On July 21st, 1861, Union troops were heading for Richmond, Virginia, the Confederate capital. The Union troops had not gone far when they met with Confederate troops. A battle followed shortly. Where the troops met was near a small village, Virginia stream known as Bull Run. Thus, we have a name for the battle that took place there. Early in the morning of July 21st, Union troops left their camps and advanced to the Confederates. The Confederates had 15,000 more men in the battle. It seemed disadvantages lied with the North, but there was a key that the North knew about but had little choice over. All the South all the South had to do was play defense, and they know the territory. At first, Union soldiers succeeded in breaking up Confederate battle lines. Some Union soldiers even thought the war was over, even shouted it was. But General Thomas Jackson began rallying troops on a nearby hill. A Confederate soldier cried, "Look, there is Jackson standing like a stone wall." This is where General Jackson got his nickname, Stonewall Jackson. In the end of the battle, the Union soldiers fled anywhere they could. The retreat didn't end until they reached Washington, D.C. After the battle, most Southerners regretted letting the Union forces go and not trying to take Washington, D.C. Though most historians agree that such an attempt would probably have failed, there was actually two battles here, Battle of Bull Run and Battle of Bull Run II. The reason there was two battles here is because it is between the capitals of the South and the North. In this battle, President Lincoln realized the importance of the railroads to ship supplies and men. He also realized the importance of the telegraph to send messages in a short amount of time. Casualties, the Union suffered around 3,000 and the Confederates suffered around 2,000. The importance of this battle is that it showed war was not what many came in thinking it was. Many of the young soldiers came in excited about war, thinking it would be fun. Also that this war would be longer than 3 months, and not a petty rebellion from the South. The Battle of Bull Run showed that both the Confederate and Union forces needed training. It also showed that the war would be a long, bloody, and costly one. This battle was also one of the South's greatest victories during the Civil War.